Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook fried rice in rice cooker. Yes, how to cook fried rice in rice cooker. So I'm going to be showing you guys my ingredients. I have a rice right here. This is parboiled rice, American parboiled rice. And I have some shrimp right here. I have vegetable oil right here. I have chopped onions mixed with garlic. I have meat right here. I have mixed vegetable right here. And I have some seasonings I'm going to be using right here. So, and the next thing I have is my rice cooker. This is the pot in the rice cooker. So this is the rice cooker right here, which I'm going to be putting aside. This is the pot. So what I'm going to be doing is to open this pot like this. Yeah, and I also have a measuring spoon. So I have a measuring spoon right here, which I'm going to be using to measure the rice. So today I'm going to be using 3 cups of rice. Yes, I said 3 cups of rice. I'm just going to dress this stuff aside. So this is the first 1 cup right here. 1 cup. 2. And 3. So I'm going to be putting this rice aside. So for my rice cooker, this pot take about 8 cups. Yeah, they say it's 8 cups pot, but I'm using 3 cups inside here today because I'm cooking a fried rice. Okay, what I'm going to be doing is to wash my rice with a warm water. Yeah. So I'm going to be washing my rice with warm water right here. If you wish to wash it with cold water, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Yeah, but I'm washing this rice with warm water. I like to wash my rice like 2 times, 2 or 3 times, but 2 is okay. Yeah, I don't want to make this video long for you guys. So I'm still washing it for the second time. Yeah, so I wash it for the second time. And I'm just going to be putting water. Should I measure the water, guys? Okay. I'm just going to put it because you have a lamb. I'm going to be stopping it to lamb 5 over there. Yeah. So lamb 5 is okay. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting my seasonings in the rice. Yeah. This is the rice right here. Let me just grab a spoon. Okay. I can still use this spoon right here. So the seasoning I have is Crown Vita, which you can find in the African store. I have black pepper. I have some hot pepper, the red pepper. I have salt and just a little bit of everything. I'm going to be mixing it up like this. Yes. And then I'm going to put a seasoning in this rice right here and put this pan aside. After putting the seasoning, you're just going to make sure and stir this rice up. Okay, guys? Yeah, I just stir the rice up. So the next thing I'm going to be putting in this rice is the meat. Yes, I'm going to put the meat. So I'm going to be putting this meat. So after putting the meat in this pot right here, the next thing I'm going to be putting is the onions. I got to chop onions and chop garlic right in here. I'm going to be putting it, guys. This is one onion right here with 4 pieces of garlic. I love to cook onion, but if you don't like to cook onion, I recommend half onion for you guys. Yeah, half onion will be fine. Just take 1 onion and split it into 2 and use the half. Then the next thing I'm going to be putting is I'm going to be putting the shrimp right here. Yeah, I'll put the shrimp right here, right on the side, right here like this. And I'll be putting the mixed vegetable. Yeah. So I have mixed vegetable right here like this with my shrimp. Yeah, just like this. So the next thing I'll be putting is the vegetable oil right here. Yeah, you don't really have to cook a lot of vegetable oil. Yeah, so I just left some of the vegetable oil. And then I'll be using the top to cover it. After covering it, I'm just gonna put it in a rice cooker like this. And plug my rice cooker. So after plugging my rice cooker, I'm just gonna start it right here. Just bring this button down. And when you see the red button, which means it's cooking. Then you're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys the result. The rice is all ready. Let's check in this rice and see. Yes. So I like to take my rice from the rice cooker and just unplug it. Yeah. So this is the rice cooker right here, and the rice is in the rice cooker. So I'm just gonna be taking this rice out. This is how I cook my rice. Fried rice in the rice cooker. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Yeah. So I'm just taking my rice from the rice cooker and put it in this bowl and just stir it up, yeah. And we'll be all ready. So my dear friends and family, loved one, this is how I cook my fried rice in a rice cooker. It's the fast and easy way to cook fried rice in rice cooker. So once again, my name is Rosemary. If you are joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this fried rice in rice cooker, guys. This is very easy, super easy. All you need in rice cooker, like all you need in a fried rice, I got it right here in a rice cooker. So just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this rice. Yeah. So once again, my name is Rosemary. Please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. On my channel, I do a little bit of everything. Yes, how to cook, how to clean up, how to do, like to use electronics, especially for the kitchen. Yes, I do everything. So guys, support me now. I'm an upcoming content creator. My goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers, but not limited. Yeah. So this is how I cook my rice. Love you all. Okay. That's better, girl. Yeah. This is what I'm having for lunch today. A fried rice. Very nice fried rice. So this is how I cook my delicious fried rice in a rice cooker.